In this video, you'll learn how to change your Binance account password. This process is essential for maintaining the security of your account and ensuring that your personal information remains safe. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and logging into your account using your existing credentials. Once you are logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Security. This will direct you to the security settings page. Here, you will find various options related to your account security. Look for the password management section, which is where you will initiate the password change process. Before proceeding, ensure that you have access to the email associated with your account and that two-factor authentication is set up, as these are necessary for verification. Next, you will need to enter your current password to verify your identity. After entering your current password, proceed to create a new password. It is crucial that this new password is strong and unique. Avoid reusing passwords from other platforms to enhance security. Refer to Binance Password Strength Guidelines to ensure your new password meets the necessary criteria. Once you've created a new password, enter it again in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy, and then submit your changes securely. After successfully changing your password, it is important to log out of your account and then log back in using your new password. This step confirms that the password has been updated successfully. Once logged in, take a moment to review your account security activity to check for any suspicious actions. If you have not enabled two-factor authentication, consider doing so at this stage to add an extra layer of security to your account. Finally, remember to update any saved passwords on your trusted devices to reflect the new password. It is advisable to avoid sharing your password information with anyone. Ensure that you save your new password securely, perhaps using a password manager, to prevent any future access issues. This comprehensive approach will help protect your Binance account from unauthorized access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.